Hello guys, welcome back to Core. Today we are going to learn about subqueries in SQL. They are also called as nested queries, and subqueries are useful for solving complex problems in simple way. So let's start. So subquery is a query inside another query, and it helps you filter data based on results from another select statement. And we can place subqueries inside where, from, or select statement. And it runs first, then main query uses that result. So we'll see one example. We'll use subquery in where clause. So we'll find out employees who earn more than average salary. So to find out, we'll write query select star from employee where salary is greater than. Now we will use subquery here. We want to find out employee details whose salary is greater than average salary. So in where condition we will add subquery which will find out average salary of our employee table. So we'll write select average of salary column from employee, and this will give us all employees whose salary is greater than average salary of employee table. So we can see these are the employees who earn more than average salary. So here this is subquery which we are using to find out average of salary column from employee table, and then we are selecting all employee details and we are adding where condition to filter out data which we will get from this subquery. We will get average of salary column from employee, and then it will compare this salary for our employee table and we will get all the details here. So we'll see next example, subquery in from. So we have one question, find out average salary for each department. So in this scenario we can use subquery in from clause. So we'll select from employee. So here we will select department. We'll get department name and average salary. In from clause we will write subquery to find out average salary for each department. Select department, comma, so here we use subquery in from clause to create temporary table of average salaries per department. So with group by we are grouping departments and we are finding out average salary for each department, and we are giving this temporary table name department average. So it will select department name and average salary for each department from this temporary table. If we will execute this, we will get our result. So we can see for each department this is average salary. So in this how we can use subquery in from clause. So we'll see next example, subquery in select. So we can use subquery in select statement as well. If I will write select from employee, and now I want to select first name and salary, and along with this now I want one more column which will display average salary of employee table. So I can add subquery here, select average of salary column from employee. So this is subquery to find out average salary of employee table. Now it will select first name, salary from employee table, and this subquery will find out average salary of employee, and in each row it will show average salary of employee table along with name and salary. If we will execute, so we can see first column is first name, which we have selected, then salary, and this is average salary column, which we are adding through subquery. So this is how we can add subquery in select statement. So this is for subqueries in SQL. If you like this video, do like to the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.